Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change your Temu account's email address. To change your email address associated with Temu account, the first thing to do is to open the Temu application, or you can also log into Temu on a web browser. Once you're signed into the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Once you open up the profile menu, tap on the gear button at the upper right hand corner and click on account security at the top left. Now you will come across your email and your other information inside the account security page. Tap on the edit button right next to your email. Now enter the new email you'd like to update to and click on the continue button. On the next page, enter the verification code sent to you via your new email. Go ahead and check your email inbox and you will be provided with a 6-digit verification code. Once you type it in, you will be able to change your email address right away on Temu. So that is how you will be able to change or update your email address on Temu application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.